What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and in today's video, we're discussing how guaranteed earnings has expanded to more areas. So what I'm talking about is Solo. Solo is an app, by the way. Everybody watching this, if you have an active gig account, meaning you've done at least one ride or trip, you can sign up for Solo right now. They're going to give you $10 anywhere in the country for free. Just sign up, download their app, and link your gig account. You got to do at least one ride and link your gig account. Then go to payment methods, type in Venmo or PayPal. Boom, you get 10 bucks. You just made $10 just simply for clicking this video. Congratulations. Now, I wanted to tell you all about their guarantee pay feature because they're expanding to more areas. So they have a free version nationwide. Anywhere in the country you can sign up, and they help you with your business, your taxes, your mileage tracking, all that stuff. Now, they also have a version where you can get guaranteed pay. Now, that is not nationwide. However, they're expanding, and a lot of people said, Dylan, why are you promoting this guaranteed pay? I'm in Los Angeles, and it's not active in Los Angeles, or I'm in Timbuktu, Idaho, and it doesn't qualify for me there. Listen, Solo is a very intelligent company because they're starting in a specific area, and then they're slowly expanding. Why? Because they go to these markets, they do really well, they get successful, and then they add a new one, they add a new one, they add a new one. Have you guys ever heard of Facebook? How did Facebook start? Everybody used Facebook, now Instagram. Guess what? Facebook didn't launch nationwide from day one. Where did they launch? They launched in Harvard. Then they launched in, then they went to Boston University. Then they went to Columbia. Then they went to Yale. Then they went to Stanford. And then they started expanding. And guess what? They were only for college students at first. Then they went down to high school students, I believe. And then they went to everybody. And now moms use it. Moms are their main source of people who use. Moms and dads use Facebook more than anything. Younger kids, they're on Instagram. Anyways, I'm just saying this all because Solo started in a specific area, and then they're slowly going nationwide, or they're slowly going to more markets. And I'm guessing they want to be nationwide soon. So anyways, let's jump into this. Use the link below to sign up, but let me show you guys what markets they're in now. We're going to go to worksolo.com, and remember, you got to use my link below to get your $10, so don't just sign up in the app, use our actual link. But it's the business app for drivers, simplifying independent work by optimizing your income, tracking mileage, guaranteeing your pay. So if you drive for any of these gig apps and you need help with your taxes, sign up for freaking Solo, because they're going to help you, and they're going to help you make more money. And they basically, yeah, you can do what kind of work do you do? Uber, Lyft, Instacart, Ship, DoorDash, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, GoPuff, freaking all of these ones. Do you track your miles? How many hours a week? Look at all these ones they partner with. So that you help you manage your app. But let's go to the guarantee pay feature. I know on the website on the computer, it shows what markets they're in now. I hope it does. It should on their phone as well, I'm assuming. Load. Let's load. Guarantee pay. Let's see. I'm in a church parking lot. Come on, Lord. Give me some Wi-Fi. Give me some Wi-Fi, bro. Here we go. Wow, God answered my prayers. He's powerful. No, he's not. Okay, here we go. So this is how it works. Basically, you can sign up for, like, let's say you're doing Instacart, for instance. If you want to sign up for that 1 p.m. shift and make $24 guaranteed, if you go out and you only make 17, they're going to pay you the $7 difference. Yeah, here we go. This was the map I wanted to show you guys. So I believe, wow, dude, load for me, bro. If I zoom in, it doesn't load. Okay, I guess I can't zoom in. Just show you guys here. So they're in Texas a lot. I think they started in Texas or Nashville or something. They're in Miami, or they're in Florida, Tampa. They're basically everywhere in Florida almost, except for the top left. They're in Arizona. They're in Vegas, Salt Lake City, Denver. So I didn't realize that they started expanding to more, because the last time I checked, they were only in like 7 states. And now they're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 states. I think maybe I missed a state or two. They're in at least 20 states. And yeah, they're expanding. So if you're in one of these areas, you can take advantage of the guarantee pay feature. And if you're not, go sign up, because the more drivers they have, the more they can expand. Does that make sense? Because they use data. They use driver data to calculate, you know, these pay amounts. Basically, this is an average of what drivers make in those areas during those times. So you can, if you go out and do that and you don't hit that, they're going to pay you the difference. That's how it works. So if you're not in one of these areas, sign up with their link, get your 10 bucks, and go turn on the apps when you go drive, especially if you're in California, because I'm in California, and I really want the pay guarantee in California. So yeah, guys, just want to make that quick vid. Go check it out. Check out Solo. I got the merch. I'm sorry, I know you guys all want the merch, but yeah, sign up for Solo, link below. Let me know if you're using the pay guarantee feature, how it's working for you. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk soon.